Remove. Please, move. I want to be rhymed with my people. Remove it, please.
Thank you very much, Your Excellencies. Very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all important stakeholders. First, Your Excellency, I'd like to congratulate you on the landmark judgment of the Supreme Court. When all well, Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, congratulations on the landmark Supreme judgment. Your state and Imo State. Certainly, you have demonstrated.
Ṣé iyán ti wà lẹ̀ fún wa? Well, let me stand on the already established protocol. I am here this afternoon with my brother, my colleague, and by God's grace, he will be the candidate of our party in 3 weeks' time. And in 10 months' time, we will go on to win the presidency for PDP. Governor Nyesom Wike, I only need to say to you that yes, we have the Congress ahead of us. The delegates should not be delicate on that day. Once you take a decision that this is where we're going, and you know where we're going, the rest of Nigeria will join us. So the only thing I want to say to you is that for Southwest, the Southwest zone, we will go in one direction. Southwest zone will determine who is going to get the ticket of PDP. So the delegates, we have the heavy load on our shoulder, and by the grace of God, we will deliver. He's the one contesting to be president, so he's the one to say things about few things about what he will do and how he will go about it. For us, it's just to give him the assurance that Southwest, now we've gone from the people they always see as betrayers. They will always say, Ki Sunny de Ibadan. Gbogbo iná rẹ̀ kúkú wá jẹ àmàlà ní Ìbàdàn náà. Wọ́n lè sọ pé Ìbàdàn dọ̀bálẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n inú ẹ̀ lóṣòó. So Southwest will play a central role, and we will also get a central benefit after we have delivered.
Come home. Ekiti State is my home. My dear brothers and sisters, as I was coming I rode with my brother governor of Fayose State. And sincerely, we were so upset. When we were upset, what is benefit of me being in power? Take for example, the governor of Ondo State is APC. The governor of Ekiti State is what? APC. I cannot believe it. From Akure to Ekiti, no road. Come. Then what is the essence of having a federal government? How can I be the president of the country? Then Fayose will say, he's my friend. Makinde will say, oh, the president is my friend. And then there's nothing to show in these two states. It's unfortunate. It's very, very unfortunate. That alone is enough anger. That alone is enough anger. Not to even allow this bad party, they call APC, to near this area again. That alone is enough anger. Look at our country. Every day, the only project we get, people have died. The only project Nigeria continues to get, 55 people have been killed in Zamfara yesterday. That is a project. 20 have been killed the other day. It's a project. 30 have been kidnapped the other day. It's a project. We have never gotten any other project other than banditry. So much insecurity in the land. Before it was Borno State and Adamawa. Today it's all over Nigeria. Nobody can say what will happen in the next 2 minutes. As you are going home now, you don't know what will happen. It has come to that stage. Look at the hunger. Look at the poverty. This country requires a leader now that can confront the issue of insecurity. This country requires a leader that is very courageous. This country requires a leader that is fearless. And I'm not leader. I have come to talk to you, the delegates. I have the capacity to win this election. I'm prepared to win this election. It is you that has the mandate on 28th and 29th of this month. As Ekiti people, as your own friend, as your own son, I've always identified with the PDP in Ekiti State. I have never run away from you, and I will never run away from you. The first thing we must tackle, and to show that you must tackle it, you must be a proper commander-in-chief. This one, we don't know who is the commander. Whether it's the DA, whether it's the nephew, whether it's the cousin. You hear this one say this, you hear this one say this. A proper commander-in-chief would never allow his country to go down like this. What am I doing with the service chiefs? Their business is to protect Nigeria. The oath of office, first thing is protection of life and property. Any government that cannot protect life and property, then you have no business to be in governance. And APC has no business to be in governance.
Governor Makinde has over 220 delegates. Over 220 delegates. I have my own here. And all these people too, we agree that we are not going to do anything behind each other. Let everybody come. We print an invitation card, 700. That's why you have to. And we told the people that have visited this meeting, all these delegates you are seeing here, no Fayose is contesting. Anywhere we conclude with Makinde, that is where we will go. Is that correct? And we have always told this leader to tell them. Today, I'm with Governor Wike seated here. When Atiku was here, I sat. When Bala Mohammed, he sat. Other people will come, I will still sit down. They ask me, when am I doing my campaign? I do my own in the night. PDP, people can steal secret in the afternoon now. Governor Wike doesn't know the people I'm talking to in the night. He doesn't know whether this Governor Makinde is with me or not. He doesn't know. But I don't want to leak Governor Makinde's secret here. We are together, but we are going to talk. So he said, I wanted to plead before that he should step down for me. But because of what I've seen here today, even my people said they are not standing well. Anyway, we are going to go to this convention united. What did I say? We are going to go to this convention united. Nobody in the southwest, particularly Ekiti, we start going to one aspirant behind. We start going, when you vote in the convention, we must see what you are doing. We must see it. It's not that you want to say you are with this. Anywhere we decide in Ibadan, when we meet, everybody will be in the same hotel. If you move, we will get you. We have suffered enough in the West. We have been deprived. And they give you minister that cannot bring anything to the state. I'm glad now they passed through this road. I'm glad the two of them, including this our president, they passed through that road now. Where the road started to be good was done by me. From Ekiti, I did that. The governor's office we went to, I built it. The first one, I built it. The high court here, I built it. The avenue I built. The one over here, I built. All the dual carriageway you see in this state was built by me.
Yes.
And I did not commit this state by 1 naira to any bank. But that's for another day. Your Excellency, you have said more than enough. When you see Makinde, we are okay. I'm not saying my own to impress him. When you see him, we will follow him and we will work with him. It is my decision. I came out, I want to contest. It's my decision to take decision when the time comes. Abi? Therefore, don't worry about the age matter that my brother mentioned. You cannot abuse a presidential aspirant or not to talk of abusing a president. Your Excellency, you are very correct. PDP! Eh? I can't hear you. What are you saying? What are you? PDP!
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.